Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, behind me we have the Ikon Motorsports hood and front fascia. That's the 2020 Shelby GT500. Now this hood and front fascia, it does fit the earlier models, the 10 through 12, but you have to change out your front bumper brackets, and your headlights can work, but you got a little space that you have to fill. But this is for the 13 and 14. Now I'm going to give you a little review on exactly what I think about this kit after I've painted it and stuck it on the car. So let's go ahead and get an in-depth review and video of this thing right here. Okay, here's the car. I have added this. This is about a little over $50 on eBay for the Shelby GT500 spoiler. That's also Ikon Motorsports. I still have the rear fascia, the side skirts, and it's in desperate need of maybe a 1-inch eye-box spring and maybe some 20-inch wheels. But other than that, we're going to look at the front fascia. Now, looking at it right here, you notice this line of this hood, the gaps are perfect on the hood. I mean, as perfect as it could get. This is just like the original Shelby. It has no lip on it. It's direct to this. This is stamped GT500. So this may be exactly a copy of the one from the 2020. If you get a Cervini's that has a fiberglass hood, this actually right here to here is about a 1/2 inch lip. So it's different. So the Cervini's hood looks closely the same, but it's actually different. And it's not made of the same material. So if you look here, you'll notice that body line right here that goes down. It matches up perfect right there. But if you go to this side, the bumper is just a little shy of the hood. Now the hood is lined up. It's lined up with the fenders. It's lined up with the light. You can see exactly how well it fits to the fenders. It fits perfect on each side, and it looks great. You do have to put these marker lights out of the 2015, but as for this, the only way to fix this and make this look better is there's 4. This mounts up just like factory, so there's 4 places. So you'll have to actually waller those hose out or just dremel them out a little bit to one side, and you can split the difference and push that fascia over, and then you would never be able to tell it. I just haven't been able to do that yet. Everything with the grills, these grills pop in really excellent. It's actually just like factory. They have the one with the fog lights. This is without. Of course, there's the lower, and then your lower piece down there. Now this piece and this piece is part of the bumper, so you'll have to tape that up and that up. I painted this right here base coat black, this black, and then once I based this, I just taped this off and then shot the blue, along with painting these separate. These are separate, and they screw on. The lights screw in just like factory, and then you have this piece here. There's a little frog down there. Now this piece right here, it screws up to the bottom and pops in, and so does this one with some push tabs. Now I have it right here. I've not got it all finished, but I have this top screw right here in that's fastening to the bracket that holds in the side. I don't have the inner fenders in there yet, but I will pop the hood and show you exactly how well it fits. I'm still lacking a seat or seat airbag. I have gotten the steering wheel. I'm still lacking a seat belt, which I can fix that in the module. Okay, now looking under the hood, everything is factory. This right here is from the factory. The only thing different is right there. You have the studs versus bolts. So you can still put your original insulator in if you want, but it covers up only half of this, and it doesn't look that great. But this right here is on there. This helps to get the water to avoid getting all over your engine. It'll actually spill out right in between the engine and the radiator, so you don't have no issues. So you do want that to be on your hood. Don't take that off. Okay, now as for the bumper, this cover piece right here, it fits nicely all along the front of the bumper, and it snaps in just like it should. Now I've got the 3.7 liter V6 in this car right here. I was looking at getting several, the Coyote, one that was supercharged, and with, you know, fuel prices the way they are, and me just buying a car just to do some things to it to sell it, I didn't figure, you know, why waste the extra money whenever, you know, this car was on eBay for sale and I got it for a good deal. But that's the car as of right now. I personally like the bumper. I think it's a lot for the front of the car. You definitely need something in the back to take away from this. This right here all looks great, but you're going to have something with the wheels. It's going to have to be lower. You want that right there, the stance to be right. You're going to have to make sure that that bumper will line up straight with your rocker molding, your side skirt. You don't want it to be a humongous front end and nothing else tie in. So maybe ordering the kit that puts this right here also on your rear fascia to make it match, and the one that goes along the bottom of the side skirt to make it match with the front bumper. Okay, now thank you guys for watching. I appreciate everyone who has subscribed to the channel. And yeah, it's a V6, but it's still, you know, fairly quick. You was to put a front mount Pro Charger on it, yes, it will outrun a Coyote. It doesn't matter. Look it up online. Coyotes, they've got what, 425 horse. These are 305. Add a Pro Charger, boom, there you go. You got good gas mileage, and you got something that'll outrun a Coyote for a better price. But you don't get the sound. That's the one bad thing about that. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, comment, and share if you have anything you want to see that I haven't shown you already on this or on any of the other projects or playlists. And I'll catch you on the next video.